How to change a friend's name on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change a friend's name on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Log into your Snapchat account and then tap chat icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Choose the friend for whom you want to change your friend's name and press and hold on your friend's profile photo. Now tap Manage Friendship and tap Edit Name. Enter the new name and hit the Save button. And that's it. You have changed your friend name on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.